circle high in painted skies, wings like whispers, closed-eyed flight. No destination, no goodbye, just moving through the edge of night. Like them I drift from place to place, chasing shadows I can't trace, dreams that echo in my chest, but never stop to let me rest. Sleepwalking birds, we fly onshore, haunted by the things we were, carried on some ancient wind, too far out to drift back in. But even lost, we still take wing. Sleepwalking birds, remember spring. Your voice, a lantern in the haze, a sound I follow through the maze. And though you fade with morning light, I still believe you'll guide my flight. Sleepwalking birds, we fly onshore, haunted by the things we were, carried on some ancient wind, too far out to drift back in. But even lost, we still take wing. Sleepwalking birds, remember spring. Some hearts fly before they wake, some dreams bend but never break. And if we meet beyond the blue, I'll land at last and rest with you. Sleepwalking birds, we fly onshore, haunted by the things we were, carried on some ancient wind, too far out to drift back in. But even lost, we still take wing. Sleepwalking birds, remember spring. Sleepwalking birds, through dusk and dawn, still follow stars long since gone. If we forget where we belong, the sky will hold us drifting on. And maybe love's the wind we sing. Sleepwalking birds on fragile wings.